Hello, students. I'm Shikha ma'am, and you had been always asking for the question answers of chapter 16 Ramayana, the beginning. So here I am. These are question answers from Headward Stairway course book for grade 8 है ना, class 8 के बच्चों के question answers हैं ये. So I want you to open page number 138. These are the question answers from the back exercise. Okay, so here we go now. Question number 1. What kind of a ruler was King Dashrath? Answer 1. King Dashrath was a good king who respected sages and ensured that his subjects, the people of Kaushal, led happy, content, and virtuous lives. Question number 2. What kind of a relationship did the four sons of the king share? Answer 2. The four sons of the king were devoted to each other. Question number 3. What was Dashrath's reaction when the great sage Vishwamitra arrived at his kingdom one day? Answer 3. When the great sage Vishwamitra arrived in the kingdom of Kaushal, King Dashrath stepped down from his throne and approached him respectfully. Question number 4. What was the purpose of Vishwamitra's visit to Dashrath's kingdom? Answer 4. Vishwamitra had come to Dashrath's kingdom because he wanted Ram to defeat the Rakshasas who kept defiling his sacrifice. Question number 5. Why was Dashrath speechless? What did he offer to do? Answer 5. Dashrath was speechless because he could not understand how a mere boy could defeat two powerful Rakshasas. Instead, he offered to come along with his army to fulfill the task. Question number 6. What was Ram destined for? According to Vishwamitra. Answer 6. According to Vishwamitra, Ram was destined for greatness by defeating the two powerful Rakshasas who kept defiling his sacrifice. Question number 7. What happened on the 6th day of Vishwamitra's Yagya? Answer 7. Ram and Lakshman defeated the Rakshasas with a special astra gifted by Vishwamitra and then destroyed their entire army of followers. Question number 8. How did Ram and Lakshman defeat the Rakshasas? Answer 8. Ram and Lakshman defeated the Rakshasas with the special astra gifted by Question number 9. Vishwamitra had to complete one duty towards Ram. What was it? Answer 9. Vishwamitra had to ensure that Ram was married off to Sita, the daughter of King Janak in the city of Mithila. Question number 10. Where did Vishwamitra take Ram and Lakshman and why? Answer number 10. Vishwamitra took the two princes to King Janak's court so that Ram could win Sita's hand in marriage. Question number 11. What was special about the bow in King Janak's place? Answer 11. The bow in King Janak's palace was special because it was so heavy that no prince could even move it. However, King Janak had promised Sita's hand in marriage to anybody who could string it. Question number 12. This is the last question. What happened when Ram stepped forward to lift the bow? Answer 12. Ram lifted the bow effortlessly as if it were a garland of flowers, then resting one end of it against his toe, he strung it and drew the string back with such irresistible force that the mighty bow snapped with a thunderous crash, and lo, flowers showered down from heaven. This brings us to the end of the chapter. If you want anything else, you can let me know in the comment section. आपको जो चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स चाहिए होते हैं आप मेरे को कमेंट में लिख दो, और आपको कुछ समझना हो तो वो भी कमेंट में लिख दो. ट्राई करूँगी सबका रिस्पॉन्स देने का टाइम पे. और मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो. ओके, बाय बाय.